Today, I'm going to show you how to get into the admin portal in Shift. So what you're going to first want to do is go to shiftfleet.ai. And then let's click Login in the top right. From here, we can enter our email and password. But let's say we forgot our password. Then we can click Forgot Password in the bottom right here. Enter our account email. And then click Send Reset Link. This will send a link to your email. So let's open that up. Okay, I've opened up this link. So we can now type in a new password. And we can confirm our password. And then we click Reset Password. Then let's click Go to Login. And now, just like before, we can enter in our email and password. We can also select the Keep Me Logged In box so that we stay logged into our account. And now let's click Sign In. And that's all we need to do.